Good afternoon, class. Last time we have completed the part that is the ketone bodies, how the generation takes place, how the utilization takes place of these ketone bodies, and how the energy is produced from the ketone bodies. Then we have seen in short what is de novo synthesis of fatty acid. Okay, so the next part regarding our syllabus is the de novo synthesis of fatty acid, and especially in the syllabus they have mentioned the de novo synthesis of palmitic acid. It is one of the fatty acid. So in case of beta oxidation also they have mentioned clearly the beta oxidation of fatty acid, in that they have mentioned beta oxidation of palmitic acid. Similarly, for the de novo synthesis they have mentioned in our syllabus, that is we have to take the de novo synthesis of palmitic acid. Okay, so de novo means new way of synthesis. So de novo indicates that is the way of synthesis or the new way of synthesis. So what is the definition of de novo synthesis of fatty acid? So with the help of series of reaction, the fatty acid is synthesized, and it is synthesized from acetyl CoA. So the conversion of acetyl CoA into the fatty acid synthesis, in this case that is the synthesis of palmitic acid from the acetyl CoA with the help of series of reaction. So एका reaction मधनं होत नाही. So A B, so acetyl CoA does not directly give with the directly palmitic acid. So for that they have to go number of reactions or series of reaction. Then we are getting the B. So this series of reaction in which the acetyl CoA it is converted into the fatty acid, especially the palmitic acid, which is the important part in our human body. So the synthesis of that palmitic acid is called as the de novo synthesis of palmitic acid. Okay, so this de novo synthesis of palmitic acid, where it takes place. So पूर्ण आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये त्याचं synthesis के de novo synthesis होत नाही. So generally the de novo synthesis mainly occurs in the place like liver, kidney and adipose tissue. So these are the three places, or these are the three parts of the body where the synthesis of palmitic acid by the de novo process or the de novo synthesis of palmitic acid takes place. So it is the important or the major parts. बाकीच्या parts मध्ये पण होतात, पण very small amount or very minute amount. But the major part of the synthesis of this palmitic acid is takes place in the liver, kidney and adipose tissues. So this synthesis, some of the compounds like carbohydrate, amino acids, when they are consumed in excess quantity, then they are converted into the fatty acids and will be stored as triglycerides. Okay, so last time also I have told the fatty person is there. So why is it fatty? Because the triglyceride is stored, and when this triglyceride or the fat it is stored in the body, the person becomes fatty. So what is this triglyceride or fats? So when excess amount of food we are taking than the necessary or required. ओके, 100 मिलीग्रॅम तुम्हाला विटॅमिन 100 मिलीग्रॅम तुम्हाला गरज आहे कार्बोहायड्रेटची, तुम्ही 1 किलो कार्बोहायड्रेट घेताय. ओके, सो दॅट एक्सेस तुम्हाला एनर्जी फक्त 100 मिलीग्रॅम पासून मिळणार आहे. उरलेले जे 900 मिलीग्रॅम आहे त्याचं काय होणार? इट विल बी स्टोअर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ट्रायग्लिसराइड्स, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फॅट्स. Similarly, proteins, if we are taking the excess amount or we are consuming the excess quantity of carbohydrate or amino acid, or if you are taking the lipids, so they are converted into the fatty acids and they are stored in the form of triglycerides. So when starvation is there, when diabetes mellitus is there, or when other condition where you are not taking the food, at that time this triglyceride is useful for the conversion of energy. So त्यावेळी ह्या ट्रायग्लिसराइड पासून आपल्याला एनर्जी मिळतो. So this triglyceride is nothing but the lipids. ओके, कळालं? कधी तयार होतं? एक्सेस जर अमाऊंट घेतली तर त्यापासून कार्बोहायड्रेट, अमायनो ऍसिड्स इट विल प्रोड्यूसेस दी ट्रायग्लिसराइड्स. This triglyceride is stored in the body. Okay. So this de novo synthesis it takes place by three steps. First one, already told, de novo means synthesis of fatty acid or palmitic acid from the acetyl CoA. So the first step must be the conversion of acetyl CoA or the production of acetyl CoA from which the fatty acid is synthesized. The first step, that is the production of acetyl CoA and NADPH. Second step, ज्या फर्स्ट स्टेप मधलं जे acetyl CoA तयार झालेलं आहे, so the acetyl CoA which is synthesized or the form or the produced in the first step, that acetyl CoA is converted into the malonyl CoA, and from malonyl CoA with the different reaction or the series of reactions, the fatty acid synthesis takes place. This called as reaction of fatty acid synthase complex. So the synthase म्हणजे जे fatty acid तयार करतं. Okay, so enzyme which is responsible for the synthesis of fatty acid, these enzymes, they are called as the synthase. Okay, so from malonyl CoA the number of reactions or the series of reaction takes place through fatty acid synthase complex, and at the end the fatty acid, that is the palmitic acid, is synthesized. So the first step from acetyl CoA, in the last step, that is the third step, the synthesis of fatty acid takes place by the fatty acid synthase complex. So such series of reaction, it is called as the de novo synthesis of fatty acids. लक्षात आलं? So these are the three steps: production of acetyl CoA and NADPH. Second one, this acetyl CoA is converted into the malonyl CoA, and the third step, this malonyl CoA with the reactions or the series of reaction with the help of the fatty acid synthase complex, it is converted into the fatty acid, that is the palmitic acid. Now we will start with the first part, that is the first step of the reaction, that is the synthesis or the production of acetyl CoA and NADPH. So just go through this part. So हा जो पार्ट आहे, this part is the, हा जो लाल सर्कल आहे, लाल सर्कलच्या बाहेरचा पार्ट, that part is the cytosol. Okay, cytosol means other part, that is the cell मधला जो part आहे, that is the cytosol. आणि हा जो red part आहे, that red part is the mitochondria, or you can say it is the mitochondrial matrix. Okay, so this is the separate part. So this is red part which is shown, it is the mitochondrial matrix, and from outside the red part there is a empty part, what we have seen, that part or this part, that part is called as the cytosol. Okay, so generally the in the cytosol the generation of fatty acid takes place. Okay, so the generation of acetyl CoA takes place in the mitochondria, and the generation of fatty acid, this generation of fatty acid, it takes place in the cytosol. Okay, so we will see how the reaction takes place. So first step, that is the synthesis of acetyl CoA from pyruvate. So pyruvate is also called as the pyruvic acid. So pyruvic acid or pyruvate, both are the same. So this pyruvic acid or the pyruvate, by the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase. So this is the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase. So this pyruvic acid with the help of enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase or pyruvic acid dehydrogenase, it is converted into acetyl CoA. लक्षात आलं? So in the mitochondrial matrix आपण काय म्हटलेलं आहे, first step, that is the production of acetyl CoA. So from where acetyl CoA is formed, it is formed from pyruvic acid. So the first step, that is the pyruvic acid with the help of enzyme pyruvic acid dehydrogenase, this pyruvic acid, it is converted into the acetyl CoA. Okay, so here you can see this pyruvate or pyruvic acid, it is converted into acetyl CoA. But the main problem is the acetyl CoA is that it is impermeable for the mitochondrial membrane. So due to the impermeable for the mitochondrial membrane, it cannot cross this membrane. लक्षात आलं मी काय म्हणतोय? Mitochondrial matrix मध्ये, mitochondria मध्ये this acetyl CoA is synthesized, but as it is impermeable to the membrane, it cannot cross the mitochondrial membrane, so it will not enter into the cytosol where actually the fatty acid synthesis takes place. So what happens, this acetyl CoA along with the oxaloacetate, that is the oxaloacetic acid, so ह्या दोघं एकत्र येतात, कोण कोण, acetyl CoA along with the oxaloacetic acid, so they come together and with the help of enzyme citrate synthase they are converted into citrate, that is the citric acid. लक्षात आलं इथपर्यंत. So in the mitochondrial matrix what happens, from pyruvic acid acetyl CoA is synthesized, but acetyl CoA is impermeable to the membrane, so it cannot enter into the cytosol, so that what happens, it comes together with the another molecule, that molecule or compound is called as oxaloacetic acid. So this oxaloacetic acid along with the acetyl CoA, it gives the compound or the chemical that is called as citric acid with the help of enzyme citrate synthase. Now citrate or citric acid, it is permeable for the mitochondrial membrane, so it can cross easily this membrane, so it can cross the membrane, it enters into the cytosol. So this citric acid which crosses the mitochondrial matrix and enters into the cytosol, it is converted into oxaloacetic acid. So during conversion of citric acid to the oxaloacetic acid, it produces the required acetyl CoA, and this reaction takes place by the enzyme called as citrate lyase. So lyase म्हणजे जे ब्रेक करतं, सिंथेस म्हणजे जे तयार करतं. सो सायट्रेट ब्रेक झालेला आहे, इथं काय झालेलं आहे, सायट्रेट तयार झालेला आहे किंवा सायट्रिक ऍसिड तयार झालेला आहे. सो द एन्झाईम इज सायट्रेट सिंथेस, इथं काय झालेलं आहे, सायट्रेट ब्रेक झालेला आहे आणि ऑक्झॅलोएसिटेट तयार झालेला आहे, सो ब्रेक झालेला आहे, सो द एन्झाईम इज lyase. So citrate lyase enzyme, it converts citrate into the oxaloacetate, that is the oxaloacetic acid, and during this the acetyl CoA, that is the required part, it is produced. From acetyl CoA fatty acid synthesis takes place. Okay, so this oxaloacetate with the help of enzyme malate dehydrogenase, it is converted into the malate, or it is also called as malic acid. जिथं जिथं तुम्हाला malate असेल, oxaloacetate असेल, it is also called as oxaloacetic acid, malic acid. Citrate असेल तर citric acid. Okay, so both are the same. So oxaloacetate or oxaloacetic acid with the help of enzyme malate dehydrogenase, it is converted into the malate, that is the malic acid, and from malic acid by the enzyme malic dehydrogenase, it is converted into the pyruvic acid. So in this way the citric acid, when it enters into the cytosol, it is converted into the pyruvic acid, and when it is converted into the pyruvic acid, during which acetyl CoA is synthesized and NADPH is synthesized. So these two parts, that is the NADPH and acetyl CoA, it is responsible for the generation of fatty acid. Okay, so that is the first step, that is the production of acetyl CoA and NADPH. Okay, so once again I will explain. Okay, so this is mitochondrial matrix, this is the cytosol. Okay, so in the mitochondrial matrix, pyruvic acid, it is converted into the acetyl CoA. So acetyl CoA is required for the generation of fatty acid. So this takes place by the enzyme called as pyruvic acid dehydrogenase. So when this acetyl CoA is formed, what happens? It has to enter into the cytosol, but unfortunately it is impermeable, so it cannot cross this mitochondrial membrane. That's why it cannot enter into the cytosol, and if it cannot enter into the cytosol, it finds the another way, that is it reacts with the oxaloacetic acid in the presence of enzyme citrate synthase to form citric acid. Now this citric acid is permeable for the, or this membrane is permeable for the citric acid. So the citric acid can cross this membrane. So it crosses the membrane and it enters into the cytosol. And when it enters into the cytosol, what happens? This citric acid is converted into the pyruvic acid through formation of oxaloacetic acid, malic acid, and finally the pyruvic acid. So during this step, the citric acid is converted into oxaloacetic acid by the enzyme citric acid lyase, during which acetyl-CoA is released. Then oxaloacetic acid is converted into malic acid by the enzyme malic dehydrogenase, and then malic acid is converted into the pyruvic acid by the enzyme malic acid dehydrogenase, during which NADPH is releases. So this NADPH and this acetyl-CoA, it enters into the process called as fatty acid synthesis. Okay, so these are the steps by which the acetyl-CoA and NADPH is synthesized. Okay, समजलं हे? So we will see acetyl-CoA is the main requirement for the fatty acid synthesis. आणि acetyl-CoA आपल्याला कुठून मिळतं? एक तर पायरुवेक ऍसिड पासून मिळतं, अमायनो ऍसिड पासून मिळतं, किंवा कीटोन बॉडीज पासून मिळतं. लक्षात आलं? आणि त्यानंतर हे इम्परमेबल असल्यामुळे ते सायट्रिक ऍसिड मध्ये कन्वर्ट होतं. सायट्रिक ऍसिड सायटोसोल मध्ये येतं. परत सायट्रिक ऍसिडचं कन्वर्जन पायरुविक ऍसिड मध्ये होतं. अँड ड्युरिंग विच acetyl-CoA is produced, NADPH is produced, and these together it enters into the fatty acid synthesis process. Okay, so that is the first step of fatty acid synthesis or the palmitic acid synthesis, that is the generation of acetyl-CoA and NADPH. Okay, so now we will move to the next step, that is the second step, that is the conversion of acetyl-CoA to malonyl-CoA. Okay, so acetyl-CoA, it is converted into the malonyl-CoA with the help of enzyme acetyl-CoA carboxylase. Carboxylase means addition of CO2 takes place. So acetyl-CoA is added with the carbon dioxide, and during which the malonyl-CoA is synthesized. Here you can observe CO2 is added, and during the process ATP is converted into the ADP. याचा अर्थ काय? या प्रोसेस साठी एनर्जी लागते. ही एनर्जी कोण प्रोव्हाइड करतं? एटीपी प्रोव्हाइड करतं. सो ही जी एनर्जी एटीपी प्रोव्हाइड करतं, त्या एटीपीचं ब्रेकडाऊन होतं आणि एटीपीचं कन्वर्जन कशामध्ये होतं? एडीपी. ओके, एटीपीचा अर्थ काय? ॲडिनोसिन ट्राय फॉस्फेट. त्याच्यामध्ये 3 फॉस्फेट ग्रुप असतात. त्यापैकी एक फॉस्फेट आहे तो एनर्जीसाठी वापरला जातो. एक वापरला तर 2 फॉस्फेट राहतात. सो त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? ॲडिनोसिन डायफॉस्फेट. सो दॅट इज द एडीपी. लक्षात आलं? ट्रायफॉस्फेट मधला एक फॉस्फेट जर एनर्जीसाठी वापरला, इट रिमेन्स 2 फॉस्फेट, सो ॲडिनोसिन डायफॉस्फेट. And with the help of vitamin, that is the biotin. So through this process, that is the acetyl-CoA, it is converted into the malonyl-CoA. So acetyl-CoA on carbonylation reaction, that is the addition of carbon dioxide, where ATP is converted into the ADP. In the presence of biotin, it is converted into the malonyl-CoA. So acetyl-CoA undergoes carbonylation reaction to produces the malonyl-CoA. This is ATP dependent reaction. ATP dependent म्हणजे काय? It requires the energy and it requires biotin for the carbon dioxide fixation. So आपल्याला काय काय लागणार आहे? एन्झाईम लागणार आहे, बायोटिन लागणार आहे, कार्बन डायऑक्साइड लागणार आहे आणि ATP. So here you can observe enzyme is there, biotin is there. For the fixation of carbon dioxide, biotin is required and energy is required, that is the ATP is required. So this ATP, it is converted into the ADP. So that is the second step. Now the last step of the synthesis of fatty acid, that is the reactions of fatty acid synthase complex. So from malonyl-CoA, so different reaction takes place, the complex reaction takes place, and at the end of reaction there is a synthesis of fatty acid takes place. So all these reactions, they are called as reactions of fatty acid synthase complex. So in the third step, reaction of fatty acid synthase are catalyzed by multifunctional enzyme known as fatty acid synthase. These are the enzymes, and each monomer possesses the activity of different enzyme, and they having the acyl carrier protein. This sequence of reaction we will discuss as follows. So what it means? So each enzyme, it consists of सो एन्झाईम दे आर मेड अप ऑफ प्रोटीन. सो प्रोटीन असेल तर प्रोटीन हे अमायनो ॲसिडची चेन असतो. सो प्रत्येक एन्झाईम मध्ये अमायनो ॲसिड्स हे प्रेझेंट असतात. सो फॅटी ॲसिड सिंथेसिस इज ऑल्सो दी एन्झाईम. इट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ सिस्टीन ॲज अ अमायनो ॲसिड अलॉंग विथ द ॲसिल कॅरियर प्रोटीन. सो प्रत्येक मोनोमर मध्ये हे दोन्ही पार्ट हे प्रेझेंट असतात. एन्झाईम अलॉंग विथ द असाइल कॅरियर प्रोटीन्स. आणि हे दोन्ही मिळून काय तयार होतं पूर्ण आपलं सिंथेस एन्झाईम. ओके, लक्षात आलं. सो धिस अलॉंग विथ धिस it is called as fatty acid synthesis. So in the third step, what happens? The acetyl CoA, it is converted into this part. It is called as acetyl S acyl carrier proteins. Okay, so हे तुम्हाला बाय हार्टच करायला लागणार. एवढं लक्षात ठेवा. It is the number of reaction or the chain of reaction is there. So you have to by heart all these reactions along with the structures. I will try to explain it, but it is in your hand how to by heart it. Okay, or how to write it. जेवढं तुम्ही रायटिंगचा प्रयत्न कराल, 1 2 3दा लिहिला तुम्हाला ते लक्षात येईल. किंवा व्यवस्थित स्टेप बाय स्टेप गेला तरी सुद्धा तुम्ही हे लिहू शकता. बट इट इज not or it is required for the by heart it or to have a practice of writing all these reactions, not for this part. So every part of the biochemistry it is having the metabolism, so you have to do it the practice शिवाय तुम्हाला बायोकेमिस्ट्री 2 मधल्या ज्या बायोकेमिस्ट्री मधल्या ज्या मेटाबॉलिझम रिएक्शन्स आहेत त्या रिएक्शन लिहिणं पॉसिबल होत नाही. तुम्ही जर प्रॅक्टिसच केली नाही, वाचलंच नाही, डायरेक्टली एक्झामला गेला, तुम्हाला कळणारच नाही की हे रिएक्शन कुठले आहेत, ती रिएक्शन सगळ्या रिएक्शन तुम्हाला सेम वाटतील, तुमचं तिथं कन्फ्युजन होणार. सो इन्स्टेड ऑफ दॅट डू इट प्रॅक्टिस रेग्युलरली so that you can understand easily and you can write down the answer in the exam. Okay, so please listen carefully. So acetyl CoA along with this enzyme, and this reaction is catalyzed by, or the fatty acid synthesis is catalyzed by acetyl CoA ACP transilase. ट्रान्स म्हणजे काय? ट्रान्सफर, बरोबर आहे. सो ह्यामध्ये काय होतं, जो कोए आहे तो कोए पार्ट निघून जातो. अँड व्हेन द कोए पार्ट रिमूव्स this part, it binds to the this, or transfer of this part takes place. So here you can find out. Okay, so you can find out easily. हे SH आहे तसं, ACP सिस्टीन ACP आहे तसं, बरोबर आहे. आता हा ACP मधला H निघून जातो आणि हा S आहे तो ह्या कार्बनला बाइंड होतो. सो इथला कोए निघून गेला, बरोबर आहे. SH राहिलं, SH CYS आहे, सिस्टीन आहे तसं, खाली ACP आहे, ACP. फक्त इथला SH मधला S आहे तो C डबल बॉन्ड O ला बाइंड होतो. वी आर गेटिंग दिस acetyl S acyl carrier protein. So that is the formation takes place. That is the first step, that is the binding of acetyl CoA and fatty acid synthase to produce acetyl S ACP, that is the acyl carrier proteins. Now transfer of chain from acetyl to cysteine. म्हणजे काय, आता इथं ऍसिटाईलला हे आहे, बरोबर आहे, याचं ट्रान्सफर कुठं होतं, सिस्टीनला. सो हिअर acetyl S enzyme is formed. Are you getting my point? इथे काय आहे, ACP जे acyl carrier proteins आहे त्याला हे कोए, त्याला हे acetyl ग्रुप अटॅच आहे, बरोबर आहे. नाव इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप दॅट इज ट्रान्सफर टेक्स प्लेस. सो हा ग्रुप आहे हा सिस्टीन कडे ट्रान्सफर होतो. सो सिस्टीन SCOCH3 SCPSH, it remain as it is. That is the transfer of this group from ACP to the CYS. Okay, this acetyl S enzyme along with the malonyl CoA, the enzyme is malonyl CoA ACP transilase. ट्रान्सआयलेज म्हणजे ट्रान्स नाव घेतलं म्हणजे ग्रुप एकीकडून दुसरीकडे ट्रान्सफर झालेला आहे. सो इन दिस प्रोसेस the formation of acyl malonyl enzyme takes place. हे SCOCH3 आहे तसं राहतं, फक्त ह्या AC मधला हा SH जाऊन इथं हा ग्रुप आहे तो बांधतो COCH2COO group. Okay, so when it binds, it is called as acylated enzyme. Okay, in next step, this acylated enzyme in the presence of beta ketoacyl synthase, the decarboxylation takes place or removal of CO2 takes place, and after removal of CO2, this group is transferred to this part, and here we are getting the beta ketoacyl ACP. It is the acyl carrier protein. In the next step, this beta ketoacyl ACP is converted into beta hydroxyacyl ACP. So here double bond O, that is the oxidation is present. It undergo reduction reaction or the hydrogenation reaction to form beta hydroxyacyl ACP. After that, dehydration reaction takes place, removal of water molecule takes place, and trans delta 2 enoyl ACP takes place. Okay, so तुम्हाला आधी सांगितले CH2COS असेल तर इनॉइल, CH2COS असेल तर असाइल आणि CH3COS असेल तर ऍसिटाइल. सो इथं काय CH डबल बॉन्ड CHCOS, so it is the इनॉइल ACP. आणि डेल्टा 2 का सेकंड पोझिशनला इथं डबल बॉन्ड आहे. सो डबल बॉन्ड इज प्रेझेंट ऑन सेकंड कार्बन and third carbon. That position is indicated by delta 2. Okay, so this trans delta enoyl ACP is formed. This on reduction by the enzyme enoyl ACP reductase, it is converted into acyl ACP by aryl ACP. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, so it is the 4. So 4 ला असेल तर त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण ब्युटारिल. So butyryl ACP. So this reaction takes place with the help of enzyme called as enoyl ACP reductase. In this aryl ACP, that is the butyryl ACP, acyl ACP, sorry, to butyryl ACP, it is converted into acyl S enzyme. म्हणजेच काय, हे जे आहेत हे ह्या SH ला ट्रान्सफर होतात. And when it transfer to this SH, it is called as acyl S enzyme, and this takes place by the process called as transfer of carbon chain from ACP to the cysteine. लक्षात? Then this acyl enzyme, it is converted into acyl S enzyme. So this reaction takes place 2 to 6 times. Repeated reaction takes place 6 times, and it forms palmitoyl thioesterase. And this palmitoyl thioesterase on hydrolysis, it produces the palmitic acid. In this way, the synthesis of palmitic acid takes place. So reaction lengthy आणि जास्त आहेत. सो प्लीज एक तर समजून घ्या घेताना किंवा बाय हॅड करा. तुमच्याकडे दोनच ऑप्शन आहेत. समजून घेताना कसं घ्यायचं, एवढं लक्षात ठेवायचं. ACP नाव कधी येईल, जर ACP ला असाइल किंवा ऍसिटाइल किंवा इनाइल ग्रुप असेल तर त्याचं तुमच्या ड्रगचं नाव काय असणार किंवा केमिकलचं नाव काय असणार, ॲसिटाइल एस ACP. हेच जर एन्झाईमला असेल किंवा वरच्या जे सिस्टीनला असेल तर त्याला आपण म्हणायचं एस एन्झाईम. एवढं फक्त दोन लक्षात ठेवायचं. जर सिस्टीनला असेल इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज एस एन्झाईम आणि जर खालच्या ACP ला असेल इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज एस ACP. Okay, so in this way you can write down the name easily. So once again I will tell you what are the third step, that is the fatty acid synthase complex. This complex it consists of ACP, that is the acyl carrier proteins, along with the molecule of enzyme. Okay, so this is the fatty acid synthase. So it is along with the acetyl CoA, it forms acetyl S ACP. So हा S CoA निघून जातो, ACP मधला हायड्रोजन निघून जातो आणि हा कार्बन आहे तो इथं येऊन बाइंड होतो. It is called as acetyl S ACP. So this reaction takes place in the presence of acetyl CoA ACP transilase. Then in next step here you can say acetyl S ACP. Next step कुठली आहे, ट्रान्सफर आहे. ट्रान्सफरला काय होतं, हा ग्रुप आहे तो इथे ट्रान्सफर होतो आणि ह्याच्या नाव काय येतं, acetyl S enzyme. Okay, it is along with the malonyl CoA, it is converted into acyl malonated enzyme. This acyl malonyl enzyme, with the help of enzyme beta ketoacyl ACP synthase, it is converted into beta ketoacyl ACP. ACP ला अटॅच आहे म्हणून तुम्हाला ACP हा वर्ड येणार आहे. वर जर अटॅच असेल तर तुम्हाला S enzyme हा वर्ड येणार. But here it is attached with the acyl carrier protein. So during the name you have to say beta ketoacyl ACP. So this beta ketoacyl ACP undergo reduction reaction. So this C double bond O is converted into hydroxy group. So that compound is called as beta hydroxy acid ACP. Then this on hydrolysis it forms trans delta 2 enoyl ACP. Okay, so in the presence of enzyme dehydrogenase. Okay, वरचं जे कंपाऊंड आहे त्याला फक्त डिहायड्रोजिनेज सोडलं, तुमचं केमिकल सॉरी एन्झाईमचं नाव झालं. सो ह्याप्रमाणे तुम्ही करत गेला तरी तुम्हाला इझी जाईल. ओके, सो डिहायड्रोजिनेज रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस. इनॉइल का म्हणायचं, CH आहे म्हणून, CHCOS आहे म्हणून इनॉइल ACP. डेल्टा काय म्हणायचं, सेकंड अँड थर्ड पोझिशन मध्ये डबल बॉन्ड. दिस ट्रान्स डेल्टा 2 इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू ब्युटाइल ACP or acyl ACP in the presence of enzyme enyl ACP reductase, and this group they are transferred to the cysteine, that is the acyl S enzyme, and this acyl S enzyme it is converted into palmitoyl thioesterase. So ही रिएक्शन 6 वेळा होती. ओके, 6 वेळा रिएक्शन झाल्यानंतर त्याचं कन्वर्जन हे पाल्मिटाइल थायोएस्टरेज मध्ये होतं. And this palmityl thioesterase on hydrolysis it is converted into the palmitic acid. तुमचं जे एन्झाईम आहे फॅटी ऍसिड सिंथेस तुम्हाला आहे तसं मिळतो. So in this way palmitic acid synthesis takes place. That is the de novo synthesis of palmitic acid, or you can say de novo synthesis of fatty acid. So last part of this de novo synthesis, that is the summary. So यामधले जे दोन मॉलिक्युल आहेत ते ऍसिटाइल कोए पासून आलेले असतात आणि उरलेले 14 आहेत ते मॅलोनाइल कोए पासून आलेले असतात. सो ओव्हरऑल समरी ऑफ, आणि palmitic acid having the 16 carbon containing fatty acid. So what is the overall summary? So 8 acetyl CoA plus 7 ATP plus 14 NADPH plus 14H plus it converted into palmitic acid. 8 acetyl CoA पासून प्रत्येकामध्ये एक कोए जातो. सो 8 असतील तर 8 कोए जाणार. 7 ATP आहेत, सो 7 ATP चं कन्वर्जन 7 ADP मध्ये होणार. 7 फॉस्फेट ग्रुप तयार होणार आणि 6 वॉटर मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत ते जनरेट होणार. सो दॅट इज द समरी ऑफ palmitic acid. Okay, so this is about the de novo synthesis of fatty acids. Okay, we will stop here.